positive attitude is the key to success in life. The key to success is to focus on goal, not obstacles. Success is not final, failure is not fatal. It is courage to the continue that counts. More powerful than the will to win is the courage to begin. You can never cross the ocean until you have the courage to lose sight of the shore. Don't focus on the pain, focus on the progress. You cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. Without continual growth and progress, such words as improvement, achievement, and success have no meaning. Every project is an opportunity to learn, to figure out problems and challenges, to invent and reinvent. Your positive action combined with positive thinking result in success. Every new day is another chance to change your life. Problem kept unresolved invite more problems. Believe in yourself and everything is possible. Success is going from failure to failure without losing enthusiasm.